This video introduces our biggest selling training tool, Ubuntu Cards. Ubuntu Cards are a colourful set of 54 cards that are designed specifically to invite people to play, have fun, interact and share. The cards are named after the concept of Ubuntu, which means I am because we are, which in essence celebrates the common bond that exists between us all. Ubuntu cards invite connection through play and have endless possibilities. Each card features a unique single image on one side and multiple images on the flip side. Now, one of the most fascinating things about Ubuntu cards is the fact that every pairing of cards is guaranteed to have one object on the multi-image side that match. For example, can you see the match on these two cards? Keep looking if you haven't already seen it. It is the globe on this occasion. That's right. Let's just try another pair. Can you see the match this time? It is. Can you see it? I'm still looking for it myself. They are always there, even when you think you can't see it. In this case, it's the recycling rock. And this game is what makes them so attractive to play. Now, inside the box, you get a set of instructions for more than 18 different ways to use the cards for both the single and multi-image sides, plus a link to an online resource with many more ideas. Ubuntu cards will help your group break the ice, interact and find connections. They are also a great tool for reflection through metaphor. Ubuntu cards are available on the Playmeo online shop. Order yours today.